Hello, so welcome again. Today we are going to solve two questions of projection of planes. As this is first question, rectangle. The rectangle size is given and the position it is resting on HP on one small side which is 30-degree inclined to VP, while the surface of the plane makes 45-degree inclination with HP. Draw its projection. Okay, now start to draw the problem. First of all, draw XY line. Now, very first, we have to draw true shape of the plane. So what is the true shape of a plane? Our plane is a rectangular plane of 30 mm by 50 mm side, right? So for drawing true shape, either it is above XY or it is below XY. So we have to first decide where we draw our true shape, and this is depend on surface inclination of the plane. So in problem, first you observe or see what is the surface of the plane inclination. So the surface of the plane inclination is from HP, and usually we draw HP inclination above XY. So we have taken the true shape below XY. Okay, this is our concept. Now, how we draw our true shape? A horizontal rectangle or a vertical rectangle means this 30 mm side is taken vertically or horizontally. So this is depend on, again we read question from start. Rectangle is resting on small side. So the side on which it is resting is always taken perpendicular to XY. So we take 30 mm side perpendicular to XY and then draw rectangle. Okay, when we clear these two questions, means where we draw true shape and how we draw true shape, then we start drawing true shape. Now we can draw true shape. So this is our true shape. So draw a rectangle of 30 mm by 50 mm side below XY and like this. Now named it and project it. Draw a trace or a line that is shown in front view. Means when we draw true shape in next view, it will seen as a line, a trace. Why? Because this is our position parallel to HP and perpendicular to VP. Now in next step, we incline our this line or trace from XY, and it is by given angle 45 degree to HP, and this is our surface inclined to HP. This is our surface inclined to HP. Now we all named it also, and now we draw projectors downward and locus from true shape forward, and in this way we complete our top view and also named it. We can dark this top view because this is our one of the projections. Now we have to draw last step, and this step is second inclination of the plane. So again we read problem or see in the problem the 30-degree inclination from VP is given, and that is of small side. So this small side is inclined 30 degree to VP. So first of all, we take a 30-degree inclined line, and by drawing this small side on that line, we complete our top view and redraw it like this. So we reconstruct top view, but in this way that its small side is inclined 30 degree to VP. Now this is side inclined to VP. Now we named it as A2 B2 C2 D2. Now we project it and draw locus from previous view and get the intersection points, named it and join it. So in this way we complete this projection. So this is our front view, and the below is our top view, which is as it is in second position, but it is inclined. So this is the position, rectangle inclined to HP and inclined to VP as given in the problem. Okay. Now we take another problem. A 30-60 degree set square. I think all of you very well known about 30-60 degree set square. Its longest edge is 100 mm. When we draw its longest edge and draw a 30-degree angle on one corner and 60-degree angle on another corner on this line, we get a 30-60 degree set square. Now what is our question? A 30-60 degree set square, longest edge in VP. See question carefully. Longest edge in VP and 30-degree inclined to HP, while its surface 45-degree inclined to VP. So same thing, first of all we have to decide where we have to draw our true shape, either above XY or below XY. So for this we have to watch surface inclination. Surface inclination is 45 degree to VP, and usually we draw VP inclination below XY, so our true shape comes above XY. So our first problem solved, that where we have to draw true shape. Now how we draw true shape? Now see, the clue is given longest side in VP. Longest side in VP. So whatever is given, that is a clue for us to draw perpendicular to XY. So the longest edge is perpendicular to XY. Now we start drawing. When we clear these two problems, that where we have to draw true shape and how we have to draw true shape. Now start drawing. First draw longest edge, that is perpendicular to XY. It is taken 100 mm. Now at one corner we have to draw any one angle, suppose 60 degree, and on another corner we have to draw another angle, that is 30 degree. So in this way we complete our 30-60 degree set square. Now named it and project it and complete our another view, that is trace or line opposite to true shape. It is line parallel to xy, because this is position surface parallel to VP. This is position surface parallel to VP. Okay. Next, now we have to draw surface inclination. So for drawing surface inclination, we inclined this line from 45 degree. Surface inclination is given 45 degree to VP. So we have to draw 45 degree angle and taken same length as before in the last view. This position is surface inclined to VP. This is 45 degree angle. Now named it, project it, locus from previous view, and by getting intersection points and joining them, complete the view. This is our front view. So named it again. Now we have to draw third position, that is second inclination, and it is given 30 degree inclined to HP. But this inclination is given of what? This inclination is given of longest side. So first we have to draw longest side 30 degree inclined. We have to draw longest side 30 degree inclined and then draw the previous view. First of all, draw 30 degree inclined line from XY. Then on this line, draw or redraw the previous front view such that the longest edge is on this line. This is position side inclined to HP. And now named it, project it, locus from previous view, get the intersection points, named it, and join it. And in this way we complete the last and final view, that is front view. So this completes our second problem. Hope you will understand and try to do similar some other problems.